Okay, I'm going to start off a OpenRPG tutorial with an introduction to OpenRPG. So the first thing I want to do is open up my OpenRPG. Now I'm using Fedora 12. This is 64-bit. So I'm going to be using type commands to start it up. And then I get the update manager. I'll give a tutorial about this later, so we'll just finish and exit out of there. We get the splash screen and OpenRPG will pop up. So right away here there's 4 main sections to the OpenRPG screen. There's the game tree right here, which has all of my nodes, some nodes I'm working on, an empty player list right here, and the chat room right here, and then we have the map right here. So I guess to start off my introduction, and then we have the menu bar up here. I guess I would first go over some of the basics. Right away when you start OpenRPG, you're going to want to change your name. Now there's a couple ways you can do this. I have mine set up with a link, and it says professor.ebro. This is my disconnect message right here. If I want to show images in chat, I would turn that to 1. If I want to strip HTML, I would turn that to 1. So I'm showing the chat time index. That's set to 1. Don't remember what GW is. This is my buffer size. This is my typing status. I can change that, and then when I'm typing it'll be something else. This is my idle status, coding stuff. General settings, networking. If I want to turn the heartbeat on, you should leave that on always. The meta server URL with OpenRPG.com running, we'll leave that the way it is. The image server base URL, this is an image server that DJ provides. So if you want to use images from your hard drive, you can do that, or you can set up Cherry Pie, and I'll give another tutorial about that. This local image base URL isn't used anymore, but if you're using local or remote, you want to set this. I have it currently set to remote. So if what that'll do is if I drag and drop an image from my hard drive to the map, then it will first load it to the image server base URL. Sound is kind of broken. OpenRPG is kind of an old software, and only recently I've seen updates, so sound is kind of broken, so I won't focus on any of that. But then we have the system colors here. You can change your tab gradients and colors, and mine's slant and colorful right now. And then the auto updater. The auto updater is old and removed, so we won't look at that. Then you have your player list colors, your map, some game tree material. If you want to load the game tree features, set that to 1. Then you when you double click an item on the tree, you can either set it to use, design, print, or send to chat. Should leave save game tree on exit to 1, so it'll save your game tree when you exit. And then this is the location of your game tree. Then we have server colors and plugins is not used, so we'll exit out of that. The next thing you want to do is you want to connect to a server. So I click on game server and then browse servers, and it opens up this menu, and it will show all of the servers and the number of players that are on them. Here's mine. Apparently mine is still suffering from internet related issues, so I will connect to that on a different computer. And when I refresh that, there it is. When you connect to a server, this rooms section will fill with all of the rooms that are on the server and the number of players and whether or not it's passworded. Let's see here. So we have bookmarks. Another feature is these plus symbols. We can add a bookmark, and that will go into here. And it looks like I need to clean up some code still. So those are bookmarks, and then if there's ever problems with the meta server, you can always use a bookmark. A lot of the settings are redundified to other portions, other menu items, which I guess is okay, but it's not really necessary. This is my, so all of the map items are pretty much right here, except for flush image catch. That's something you might want to use later on. That'll clean out all of your image catch from your map.